On today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about how often should you post to social media. Well, the first thing is consistency. Consistency. That is the most important thing, is that you are consistent. Often I see many home care business owners, they don't have a plan, they don't have a strategy, and they're just sporadically posting. It is essential that you are doing it on a regular basis. Oh, let me just post 5 days in a row and then not post for 3 months. Yeah, that's not gonna work. We need to remain consistent, so less is more. I would rather you actually create less content and do it consistently than trying to do too much and not being able to do it consistently, all right? The other thing I want to say is make sure that you do not do this, which is we're hiring, all right? We don't want to do this. I know that recruitment is a huge part, but you are damaging your social media because it's, one, you're just flooding your feed with that, and so anyone that sees that, it's not going to attract. Understanding that you're also trying to attract clients from your social media and not just caregivers. So we don't want to just flood it with we're hiring. People are going to start not looking at your content, not engaging with your content, and then they're not even going to see it. So this is a huge mistake that we want to make sure that we avoid. So when it comes to creating content, we want to focus on quality over quantity, right? So again, answering this question, how often should you post to social media? Focus more on creating quality content than worrying so much about the number of posts that you're doing. Because one really good post, that's maybe a video, can do much better than having 5 posts that are just bland and lame and not really quality content. So the more that you focus on creating quality content and stop worrying about it as a numbers game, you're going to see better results. Now, that being said, all right, I do recommend that you're posting content daily, or 5 to 7 times a week is generally the recommended number. But again, going back to what I said, consistency is the most important thing. So you want to make sure that you're remaining consistent doing it on a regular basis. How do we do that? We plan, and we plan. We got to have a strategy. We have to have a plan. That is essential. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail. Benjamin Franklin. This is essential. Creating a plan on social media, actually knowing what to post, how to post. There's so many different aspects of this. And I answer this question in my brand new free training, Social Media Success. If you want to learn how to get more results on social media, be able to create a plan that actually gets results, go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today. So let's review. Be consistent, quality over quantity, post daily, and create a plan. Do you want to learn how so many people just like you are getting incredible results on social media? Then you have got to check out my brand new free training, Social Media Success, where you're going to learn the 5 biggest mistakes home care business owners are making and how you can avoid them. All you got to do is go to thedigitalchamps.com/social and start watching today.